Did you find the perfect article for your research paper and now you need to create a works cited entry? First, you need to consider which of the core elements are needed for articles. Starting at the top of the core elements list, we need to find the author of the source. In this case, it will be the author of the article, Alex Link. Next comes the title of the source, The Secret of Supergirl's Success. Because our source is an article, we need to list its container, or the title of the journal containing the article, Journal of Popular Culture. In this case, we need to find the volume and issue number for the journal. Next comes the publication date, December 2013, followed by the location in the container, or page numbers. Notice we have a second container for this article. This is because we found it using the library databases, Academic Search Complete in this case. Following the second container, we need to include a location. If a DOI isn't available, the article's URL should be supplied as a location. Let's take a look at what the formatted entry looks like. Similar to a book chapter, we have page numbers, but notice for articles we also have volume and issue numbers and no publisher information.